Hello everyone. Today we will see a spell number function. You can see in the Excel, you can type the function equal spell number. Spell number is the function created. You can press the tab key. Then within bracket, you can type the number what you want. Then it will convert to the number. So 145.52. So we'll close the bracket and we will enter. You can see 145 rupees and 52 cents only. Now we will type another number, spell number. Okay, 5421.47. 5421. Okay, we will enter 5421 rupee and 47 cents only. In the module, you can find this spell number function. I will upload this Excel file in the description. You can download. So Alt F11, you can see in the module 1 I have the function. You can find this. You can use in your VBA projects or in any Excel works. Thank you for watching.